Account takeover attacks are a growing threat for organizations worldwide. They unfold across multiple stages, often without visibility, and are typically addressed only after the damage is done. A message arrives. One click, and a login page loads that looks real, but isn't. Your users enter their credentials without realizing that it's a scam, until it's too late. By the time your scan and takedown solutions act, your customer's account has already been taken over. MFAs frustrate users, and attackers still bypass them. Account takeover, ATO fraud, continues to slip through, increasingly fueled by AI-driven attack tools. Memcyco changes that. We preempt and disrupt ATO by shifting detection beyond your traditional security perimeter and earlier into the attack lifecycle, long before fraud unfolds. When a customer visits a fake site, Memcyco's nano defenders infiltrate the attack flow, detecting, tracking, and disrupting it as it evolves. As the customer tries to log in, Memcyco's nano defenders swap real credentials with marked decoy data useless to attackers, but invaluable for blocking and tracking them. When the fraudster hits your real site, the decoy data prevents access and the device is blocked. Even if attackers try advanced man-in-the-middle techniques, Memcyco identifies them and flags the session in real time. When attackers attempt to use credentials they bought from the dark web, Memcyco detects the attempt and stops it. Security teams are alerted instantly, and fraud teams gain precise attack intelligence with unprecedented victim-level identification. Memcyco protects across industries. Financial institutions, ATO, card data theft, travel and hospitality, mileage fraud, fake bookings, retail, fake stores, loyalty points abuse, logistics, courier scams, partner portal fraud. Security teams gain real-time visibility and faster mitigation. Fraud teams cut ATO losses and investigation costs. Digital teams protect trust with zero disruption to users. AI is fueling a surge in digital impersonation. With Memcyco, it doesn't have to harm your customers, employees, or business. Discover your unfair Memcyco advantage. Contact us to learn more.